Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw one of the coolest character from Mortal Kombat, Scorpion. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his mean brow first. So we're just going to draw in right in the middle. We can actually draw a little angle like this, and then for his brow we're just going to go out. Just kind of slant it up, and then for his eyes it's going to be really simple. We're just going to draw a curve right below it, and it's going to be white so we don't have to draw any of the details. Okay, so after that brow we're just going to start on his mask. So in the middle right here, just come down, and then we're going to go back up. Okay, and then once you go up, just kind of close it off with a slight curve like this. And then once we have this curve, now we're going to draw the hood area. So kind of curve up, just kind of continue that. And then we're going to meet up at the middle. Alright, and then once we have this, we're going to curve down. And just kind of curve down like this first. Just leave it open. Let's finish up the mask area first. So in the middle, we're just gonna draw one line down, and then we're gonna draw the bottom of the mask. Okay, and now let's add in some detail to the mask. So this part's a little bit tricky. Right here, we just curve. From the bottom here, we're just gonna curve it up. Let's hook it back down, and then once you have this, just angle it up. Okay, and then we're going to draw one more tricky curve. So we're going to start here, we're going to curve down, and then we're going to continue, just hook it back up. Okay, and then after those curves in here, we just draw 3 lines. So this one's easy. Start at the bottom here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's pretty much the face and the mask. So let's draw in. So from here, we can continue this curve now. Just kind of pinch it to the middle, so it's pretty far down. All right, and then now let's finish up the top. So for the top here, we can start on the sides. This is just gonna be almost like a bracket, 2 straight lines. Give it a slight curve, and then we're just gonna continue this to the middle. And then once you have this, from the corner to this corner, just draw in a line, corner, corner. And then now let's see, let's add in for his shoulder. So we can draw his whole shoulder. We're just gonna curve this out, slant it out. And then we're going to go all the way down to his waist. So we're going to pinch it down, curve, 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 just pinch it in. Okay, and then from here we can come in. So come in about halfway, and then go up, because we have to draw that little belt thing he has there. And then we're going to come across, come down, and then meet up. Okay, so just make a little bump starting right at the middle. Okay, and let's finish up this part since we're here. So this part, come down, come back up at the same area, and then we just kind of go around it. So it's basically like a C, letter C. Okay, and then for his belt, we'll just come down and just come across, close it off. Alright, so let's draw in some of the details on his clothing, which is really cool. So we can start, let's start in the middle here. We'll just draw one rectangle, and then we'll draw another one right here. Below it, we're going to draw a curve, and then we're going to draw 2 lines going all the way down. Alright, and then let's see, let's go back up here. His shoulder right here, just come in slightly, slant it in. Okay, and then we're gonna draw one more big curve. So we're gonna start here, kind of come in, just curve it all the way down here. So we're gonna continue this curve. Let's go down. All right, and then let's see. Let's finish some stuff up in here. Draw one curve, and then here we're gonna draw. He's got some belt and ring, so I'm just gonna draw one. I think he's got like 3 of them in there. So just draw 2 curves like this, and then we'll draw a circle, kind of like behind it, and then draw another circle. So we're just giving it some thickness. I'm just drawing one because there's way too much details on this clothing. All right, and then from here, let's draw in some straps here. So we can draw in 2 lines. Just kind of give it a sharp angle. So again, 2 lines, sharp angle. So same thing on this side. 2 lines, sharp angle, and then one more. It's got a lot of these little details. Okay, and then we can add in a little bit more. It's got a little bit more shoulder padding here. So we'll just draw this line, just coming up under it. And then we're going to draw a little bit of an angle out there. Okay, or you can draw the angle in first. And then just kind of continue that line. Okay, and then on this waist, you can draw in one line here, and then it's got some straps here. I know there's a lot of little lines, but once we color it, we'll be able to see it much better. Okay, so let's draw in his arm. So again, his shoulder here, coming down. Here's the armpit, bicep, it's 2 bracket, elbows right here. Lower arm, curve, come down, curve out, come down, and then we just close it. And then his fist, come down, his thumb, back of the fist, curl it in. And then let's see, he's got a lot of details here. So let's just draw one line. I'm gonna add a couple of lines here just to try to make it look like it's cloth. Okay, and then let's see, he's got a bunch of belts right here. So let's start up here. So that's 1, and he's got 2 just in this bicep area. And then once you've drawn those, you can add in a little detail here. Just for the straps and buckle. And then down here in his arm, I know he's got 3, but I'm just gonna draw 2. So I'm just gonna draw 2 bigger ones. Now add in some buckle detail. So you can just draw 2 lines, and then inside just draw a little U shape. Alright, so let's move on to the other arm, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. So shoulder, curve down, here's the armpit, bicep, lower arm, go out, come in, close it off. Fist coming down, back of the fist, and then again the cloth area. I'll add in some lines, and then on this side he's only got 1 strap here. Buckle detail. Now add 2 here. Make it slightly bigger. Bracket. It's a U shape. And you can draw in 3 straps if you want. I just don't want to draw too small with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's move on to his legs. So for his legs, it's a little bit tricky. So we're gonna come down the side first. Just draw 2 lines like this. We're gonna come down. Okay, and then once you have this, we're gonna draw one strap here, starting here. Just go out. So it's gonna be one strap. And then we're gonna draw one more, starting here, go out. Okay, so once we have that strap, we're gonna continue this cloth here. So we're gonna come down, just draw a little line. Just keep going down. And same thing as here, come down here. So here's the line. Come down and then close it off. Okay, so now we can draw in his leg. So we're gonna come in here. Here's the middle, just go off to the side. Come down. Pinch it in and then close it off. And then it's got a strap here, so we'll just draw one rectangle. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, pinch it in. One rectangle, and let's add in some detail right now. We're just drawing one angle facing in. And then let's finish up the strap up here. So there's gonna be another strap here. And then one more here. Okay, so let's move down to his lower leg. So here, this is gonna flare out. And this is just gonna be cloth, so we'll just give it a little bit of wave to it. And let's add in a couple of lines just to show that it's cloth. So again, we're gonna do on this side, come out, give it a little wave, some folding lines. All right, and then for his lower leg, we're gonna start in here. Okay, so this is because this is this cloth folding over. Close it. This is gonna be a little bit straighter, and we're just gonna come out this side. Close it off. Give it a little bit so, and let's add in the details later. Let's put in this side first. So start in here, curve. Coming down a little bit straighter, and then go out this side. Close it off. A little bit so, and then let's see for his shoes here. Just start from here and we'll just draw one arc around it. So just kind of pinch it to the sides. So start here, go up, just pinch it to the sides. And then it's gonna have some lines here. We'll add in 3. 1, 2, and 3. And that is it for this Scorpion drawing. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. It's definitely one of the best characters in Mortal Kombat. So hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.